guys, and welcome back to another Ipsy Glam bag unboxing. So I do have a few extras in this one because I traded some stuff with my mom to get some of these, but anyway, so I do technically have a few extras in here. But yeah, so this is for the September 2020 bag, which looks like this. I didn't even realize on the website this was two-sided. It's so cute. It feels almost like chenille or like corduroy almost. I think corduroy is what I'm thinking of. It's like so vintage and retro and I love it! And the little leather taggy here. I don't know if it's true leather or not. Before I go in here, I'll go to the extras that I swapped with my mom for. So we have a Finding Ferdinand lipstick in Very Berry. It's really cute. It's like a little mini lipstick, but I mean, you know how long it takes me to go through a lipstick anyway, so that is plenty, frankly. And she let me swap her for the Generation Clay Urban Defense Purifying Pink Clay Mask, which is actually a pretty decent sized tube for a little clay mask sample. I want to say during their pop-up sale they had a day or two ago, they had the full size, and I did pounce on that. I pounced on a lot of things, guys. For a pop-up sale, I spent over $100. So, yeah, I kind of went a little nuts. You could buy, like, up to 8 things. I think I went with 7, so. And then the other thing I swapped my mom for is this PYT Beauty Day to Night Cool Eyeshadow Palette. PYT just makes me think of Michael Jackson's Pretty Young Thing, which may or may not be the brand name, I don't know. Oh, it's got, the names, the colors on this. So this is what they look like, right? And then the color names, for now, we have Coffee Run, which they suggest using all over or in the crease and contour, and Day Trip for the crease and contour. Then the later, we have Happy Hour for the lid and crease and corner, and then 2:02 a.m. for the lid and outer corner. Those are really freaking cute. I like it. And I'm glad she let me swap for them, given that those are kind of her colors, and yet she still let me trade for them. So, now the stuff that I actually got in my bag. I always have, like, a box of stuff set aside for her that I can't use, that Kimmy doesn't want, so I'll just, like, hold on to it for when she has stuff that I want, and I trade her for. I'm a bad daughter, but anyway, she knows. She knows. She's cool with it. So, September 2020, hashtag Ipsy Good Vibes. This month, radiate positivity. From trying a bold new hairstyle to finding the perfect fall lip color, when you embrace this season of change with an I got this attitude, the results will be out of sight. Look what they brought back. They brought back the lists of the products with the prices and everything. At least they did in this one. I don't know if they did in Plus. I still have to look at the Plus bag. But, they do have the little blurbs about them and the prices. Thank you, Ipsy, for bringing it back. I'm hoping they keep it back because, oh my gosh, these videos got so much shorter when I didn't have these to refer to. So, first item is the Dewy Tree The Clean Lab AC Dew Foam. Dewy Tree Clean Project for crystal clear and flawless dewy skin. I want to say I got this in Allure too. I'm not sure. Slightly acidic cleansing foam helps sebum control for sensitive skin. So this is a deluxe sample size. The full size of this would be $32. But that would be 150 milliliters versus, what is this? 15 milliliters. So, just, you know, a slight difference. So, if you're dealing with breakouts or congestion, you know, the whole reason I have so much makeup on my nose to try to cover them up right now to where it almost looks like a fake nose on glasses. If you're dealing with breakouts or congestion, this foaming cleanser is about to be your new go-to. It's packed with salicylic acid, a derm favorite ingredient when it comes to treating acne, which I'm using in my Murad cleanser right now, and yet we've still got this situation going on. And white willow stem extract to nix dead skin cells. Okay, maybe this will do better then. Excess sebum and inflammation. Okay, yeah, I definitely need to be trying this one then. Tip, lather up cleanser in your palms and massage it onto wet skin for 30 seconds. Rinse well. Well, that sounds wonderful. I'll have to try that tonight. We've got another Pixie by Petra Endless Silky Eye Pen. This one's in Bronze Beam, which, for being a name with bronze, and it looks pretty brown to me, but maybe like a really, really dark bronze. It's catching the light, so it looks closer to bronze. Maybe that's it. Maybe it's when the light catches it is when it looks bronze. I don't know. But anyway, this is full size, and this would normally be $12, so glad that I got it in this, and I didn't have to pay $12 for it. I'd ideally like to have their whole line of these one day, but for now, I'm settling for the ones I get through Ipsy, and whatever's left over, I'll cycle back through for it. This hybrid eyeliner gives you the best of both worlds. The intensity of a liquid liner with the ease of a pencil. One swipe of the silky cream formula leaves behind a shimmery bronze color that holds up to water, sweat, humidity, you name it. Tip for an easy smoky look, smudge this along your lash lines and blend before pigments set. Sounds easy enough, yet I never do it that way. Then we have the Evio Beauty Skin Rejuvenating Mask. You know how I am with my masks, guys. This is a deluxe sample. The full size would be $22. What size is this? Again, 15 milliliters, whereas the full size is 40 milliliters. Wow. So about 3 times the size of this, and that would be $22? That seems awfully steep, but okay. 15 minutes with this mask is like hitting the reset button on your complexion. It nourishes, hydrates, and rejuvenates skin for seriously dewy glow. It uses hemp seed oil, a natural source of fatty acids and antioxidants, to heal dry, damaged skin and reduce sensitivity. Tip, apply a thick layer of this mask to clean skin, leave it on for 15 minutes, and then rinse. Well, I just did a mask earlier, so I can't do it today, but another day I'll do that one. This makes me laugh because I just got the full size of this from Ulta, but this is the Tarte Cosmetics Big Ego Mascara in black. The full size would be $23. I did not pay $23 for it because I got it as part of their flash sale where it was like 4 products for $35 total. Let's tilt this down a wee bit. Okay, so fully loaded, flutter for up to 16 hours. We're here for it. This mascara coats lashes in ultra black pigments and gives them dramatic lift, length, and volume. And it even doubles as a conditioning lash treatment thanks to nourishing and moisturizing panthenol and babassu. Tip for extra volume and length, wiggle through your lashes in a zigzag motion. So, the way you already put on makeup, right guys? That's the way I put on makeup. Or I mean mascara. I can talk. Got distracted. And then the last thing I have in here is a nail polish. I'll open it in a second. It's by a brand called Sundays, and this is nail polish number 18. This is full size and costs $18. Ooh! 10 free, non-toxic, vegan, and cruelty-free. This is a very bougie looking box already, though. Let's see it. Show us your Sundays look for a chance to be featured. Well, my current color is, chipping off, and I'm getting pretty tired of this one, so I'm ready to change it up. Oh, hello, darling. Oh, mama. I love it already. Okay, my deep reds, I'm so partial to those. Oh, that's gonna be so nice. Let's see how thick or thin it is. Ooh. Hello, mama. So this is like really nice and watery thin but super pigmented, so it could go either way. It's like working like a glaze, or it could be more pigmented if you layer it, which I always do, but if you wanted to layer it over something else, you could get some cool effects that way. It's one of those. I'm like, ooh, fun. Okay. So, meet the healthy polish you've been looking for. Sundays nail polishes are all vegan, 10-free, non-toxic, and void of any and all harsh chemicals. But that doesn't mean they sacrifice payoff or wear. This deep berry shade delivers strength, shine, and long-lasting color. Tip, don't forget to swipe the free edge of your nail with polish to help the mani last longer. That is something I usually forget to do because my nails are usually short as shit, and good luck getting to the front edges of them when they're that short. I mean, occasionally one here or there is long enough to get to the front tip of them, but most of them are not, so normally I have to forgo that step. But, yeah. So that's what I got in my September Ipsy Glam bag of everything I am super duper stoked for. So what did you guys get this month? Let me know, because, you know, I love to hear what you guys got. Anywho, you guys know the drill. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. I already said that. Follow my social media accounts, yeah, I can talk. My Facebook fan page, my Instagram, my Twitter, I don't know. They're all down below. My brain is toast. Anyway, go ahead and follow them. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, bye-bye.